For my birthday, my wife Sammy Girl took me on a trip to Philadelphia. We took the Amtrak out of New York City, which is gorgeous, and worked our way towards our first stop, a beautiful Philly cheesesteak. We shared cheese fries. Sammy Girl had a delicious black bean burger. And I, of course, had American cheese, onions, whiz, and extra whiz. We had Vietnamese for dinner, starting with crispy pork rolls, which were delicious. I had a steak, noodle, and vegetable dish, which was amazing. And Sammy Girl had crunchy noodles with steamed vegetables and shrimps. Next morning, we saw HVAC equipment being delivered by a heavy lift helicopter. That was kind of cool. As we walked around downtown Philadelphia and ate our uniquely shaped Philadelphia-style pretzels. We went to the Philadelphia Museum of Art, which is amazing. And of course, we've been at the iconic Rocky Stairs. Before heading to a prison. A cool place to just wander and spend some time before lunch. For lunch, we went to a Reading Terminal Market, or Reading Terminal Market, I have no idea, but it had plenty of amazing food, and we stopped at a little Chinese bar service stand and got duck dumpling soup, a duck wrap that was delicious and super hot, and I had roast duck lo mein, which was so good. We ate another meal there on our trip. We had chorizo cheese fries, fried cheese curds, and 2 of the best corn dogs I have ever tasted. Our swankiest dinner had wonton wrapper crab tacos, spicy beef pan-fried dumplings, Korean bulgogi on a stick, teriyaki chicken, soup dumplings, oh my god, so good, guys, so good. Korean fried chicken bao, steamed bun, kimchi fried rice with egg and little tiny shrimps. Thanks for an amazing trip, baby. You're the best. I love you so much. I'm the luckiest man in the world to call you my wife. My wife. Oh, and my favorite foods, guys. Number 1, the wonton crab tacos. Number 2, the crispy pork rolls from a Vietnamese restaurant. Number 3, anything from the roast duck stand. Of course, the Philly cheesesteak was amazing, but I don't know, go to Philadelphia for the Asian food, I guess.